Hi guys, here's another DIY video. So guys, today is going to be on the breast lift thingy guys. So if you guys, well you guys can't see, but one of these I have the breast lift on this side guys. And on this one I don't. So if you see, this breast is kind of like sagging a little bit and this one is kind of lifted. So they have them in black and they have them in brown, but it actually does give you a nice lip. I'm gonna move it over guys. My nipple is covered because you know how people get all kooky crazy, and to show you guys, but it actually literally does give you a lift. So when you put it on and pulls it up, it pulls the breast up. So if you guys can see from this angle, this breast is kind of slouching. So if you guys see the difference, one breast, let me move my shirt, one breast is kind of, if you guys see, sagging, and this one is lifted up. So I'm gonna turn around guys and put them both on. But I think this is a great buy and it really does work. So guys, when you put these on, when you take your shower, don't put lotion on, because if you put lotion on, then it's not going to give you a lift. And save these to put it back on guys when you put it up, because it's sticky stuff. So I'm going to turn around and put it on, and then I'll turn back around guys, and it does give it an instant lift. So once you put your nipple in there guys, if you see it sagging like that, put your nipple in there guys and give it a pull. And for the bigger breasted ladies, get the bigger one. So if you guys see that, it kind of did actually give it a lift. So if you guys see, so if you want to lift it more, kind of pull guys, and then put it, I'm kind of really top heavy, and kind of put it up there guys. So you see, wait, I gotta put it in good. I kind of got a little bit, whoa, it don't hurt as bad, but the more lift you want, put it up higher. So if you guys see how that one is lower, this one is higher. So depending on the lift that you guys want, see that it's like lopsided. So guys, depending on the lift that you want, so if you want it to be a little bit higher guys, take it and pull it. Once you put your nipple in there to where you want it to be, smooth out the skin and rub it in place, and it will give you an instant lift guys. And then you go ahead and put on your shirt. I'm actually going to buy a couple of them. I really like that. So it gave me some a really nice lift and some coverage guys, but just no lotion. So I hope nobody gets offended by this video, because a lot of times people are so catty. But I found these off eBay guys, and these was $9.99 a pair. And they do have the other ones that's the tape, but these does, if you guys, ladies and gentlemen, say I'm very top heavy. I don't know why men not gonna, but there's guys that got boobs, but it really does give you a lift. So I wanted to actually show you guys what it looked like. You guys didn't see my nipples, so please don't come for me and start saying stupid stuff. But it literally does give you a lift, guys. So if you guys are interested in that, look at that. It really does give you an instant lift. So guys, purchase these breast lift seamless, and it does also hide your nipple. So as always guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.